Welcome, Grade 12 scholars, to the International Online School. Today, we are excited to explore Chapter 17 of our chemistry course, Alkyl Halides and Amines, meticulously designed according to the Federal Board of Pakistan's curriculum and standards. Let's begin with chemistry. Let's dive into Chapter 17, Alkyl Halides and Amines, an essential aspect of chemical studies. In this overview, we dive into naming alkyl halides, IUPAC system, structure and reactivity of RX, preparation of RX, nucleophilic substitution reactions, elimination reactions, preparation and reactivity of Grignard's reagents, chemistry of Grignard's reagent, nomenclature, structure, and basicity of amines, preparation of amines, reactivity of amines, chemistry of amines, isomerism in alkyl halides and amines. Let's explore each of these points covered in this chapter. We'll begin with an in-depth look at naming alkyl halides, IUPAC system. This lesson focuses on applying the IUPAC system to name alkyl halides. Students will learn the systematic rules for naming these compounds, ensuring clarity and consistency in chemical communication. Next, we'll discuss the structure and reactivity of RX. Students will explore the structure and reactivity of alkyl halides. Understanding the molecular structure and behavior of alkyl halides is crucial for predicting their reactions in different contexts. Following that, we'll cover the preparation of RX. This lesson includes the preparation of alkyl halides by the reaction of alcohols with HX, SOCl2, PX3, and the radical halogenation of alkanes. Students will explore various methods for synthesizing alkyl halides and understand the mechanisms involved. Next, we'll delve into nucleophilic substitution reactions. Students will describe the mechanism and types of nucleophilic substitution reactions. Understanding how nucleophiles replace halides in alkyl halides is essential for predicting reaction outcomes. Following that, we'll define elimination reactions. Building on substitution reactions, this lesson covers the mechanism and types of elimination reactions. Students will understand the processes by which alkyl halides lose elements to form unsaturated compounds. We'll then develop an understanding of the preparation and reactivity of Grignard's reagents. Students will describe the preparation and reactivity of Grignard's reagents. Understanding the unique properties of these organometallic compounds is crucial for predicting their behavior in various chemical reactions. Next, we'll discuss the chemistry of Grignard's reagent. This lesson focuses on the addition reactions of Grignard's reagent with aldehydes, ketones, esters, and carbon dioxide. Students will understand how Grignard's reagents serve as versatile nucleophiles in organic synthesis. We'll then move on to the nomenclature, structure, and basicity of amines. Students will discuss the nomenclature, structure, and basicity of amines. Understanding the properties of amines is essential for predicting their behavior in various reactions. Following that, we'll cover the preparation of amines. This lesson includes the preparation of amines by the alkylation of ammonia to RX and the reduction of nitriles, nitro, and amide functional groups. Students will explore different synthetic pathways to obtain amines. Next, we'll discuss the reactivity of amines. Building on the preparation, students will explore the reactivity of amines. Understanding the chemical behavior of amines is crucial for predicting their reactions in different contexts. We'll then explore the chemistry of amines. This lesson describes the chemistry of amines, including alkylation of amines with RX, reactions with aldehydes and ketones, preparation of amides, and diazonium salts. Students will understand the diverse reactions involving amines in organic synthesis. In the final lesson, you'll describe isomerism in alkyl halides and amines. Students will understand the different types of isomerism exhibited by these organic compounds, including structural isomerism and stereoisomerism. With recorded lessons to go back to, easy to read notes, quizzes, practice tests to get you exam ready, online sessions with instructors, question forums, and live support from the International Online School team will make sure you're well prepared. Completing this course means not just achieving good grades, but excelling and aiming for A+ results. Your dedication and hard work will pave the way for success. So, let's begin with Chapter 17 and embark on this enriching journey of chemistry, crafted to ensure your success at the International Online School.